to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, Principal CV Gupta Saraswati Vidyapeeth, Mathura Road, Aligarh. Dear students, in the series of tenses, today I am taking your past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, let's know Hindi words which are found at the end of sentences. Hindi words रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे are found at the end of sentences. With singular number subject, we use helping verb watch. With plural number subject, we use helping verb were. And special rule for this tense is, especially in all the continuous tenses, we add ing in the first form of the main verb. So here also in this tense we add ing in the first form of the main verb. And I'll take your sentences in singular, in plural, in series. First there will be positive sentence, then there will be negative sentence, then there will be interrogative, then again interrogative, then there will be interrogative negative, then again interrogative and negative. There is actually series of 6 sentences with singular and 6 sentences with plural, and then I'll take many more examples. And first example, in singular number I'm taking Sita was sleeping, positive. Sita was not sleeping, negative. Was Sita sleeping? Interrogative. Why was Sita sleeping? Interrogative. Was Sita not sleeping? Interrogative negative. Why was Sita not sleeping? Interrogative negative. This is with singular number. And in singular number, I am taking many more examples. For example, Rita was dancing. Rita was not dancing. Was Rita dancing? Why was Rita dancing? Was Rita not dancing? Why was Rita not dancing? Next one, the gardener was watering the plants. The gardener was not watering the plants. Was the gardener watering the plants? Why was the gardener watering the plants? Was the gardener not watering the plants? Why was the gardener not watering the plants? Next sentence, she was speaking the truth. She was not speaking the truth. Was she speaking the truth? Why was she speaking the truth? Was she not speaking the truth? Why was she not speaking the truth? And one more example, Raman was playing. Raman was not playing. Was Raman playing? Why was Raman playing? Was Raman not playing? Why was Raman not playing? Actually, these are 5 sentences. Now I am taking your plural number. With plural number subject, we use helping verb were. And we add ing in the first form of the main verb. And I am taking sentence with plural number. They were doing their work, positive. They were not doing their work, negative. Were they doing their work? Interrogative. Why were they doing their work? Interrogative. Were they not doing their work? Interrogative negative. Why were they not doing their work? Interrogative and negative. And now I am taking actually series of sentences. And Raman was singing a song. Raman was not singing a song. Was Raman singing a song? Why was Raman singing a song? Was Raman not singing a song? Why was Raman not singing a song? Next, actually this is your plural number, but I have taken example of singular number. Again I am taking using singing with plural number. Girls were singing a song. Girls were not singing a song. Were the girls singing a song? Why were the girls singing a song? Were the girls not singing a song? Why were the girls not singing a song? And next one, We were drinking milk. We were not drinking milk. Were we drinking milk? Why were we drinking milk? Were we not drinking milk? Why were we not drinking milk? And again plural number. The students were reading their books. The students were not reading their books. Were the students reading their books? Why were the students reading their books? Were the students not reading their books? Why were the students not reading their books? Next one. The students were working hard. The students were not working hard. Were the students working hard? Why were the students working hard? Were the students not working hard? Why were the students not working hard? So these are your examples. Again, I am revising. In past continuous tense, Hindi words रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे are found at the end of sentences. The work is in process or in continuity. And with singular number subject we use helping verb watch. And with plural number subject we use helping verb were. We add ing in the first form of the main verb. Dear students, this is your tense, past continuous tense. If you listen this video, I think you may practice this tense, past continuous tense. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasist, PGT Commerce, has cooperated a lot. So I say thanks to him and thank you very much to you all. Thank you.